Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen 4-hour time frame, we are definitely still within this tight range. Yes, we did push down very hard today, but this what yellow line is the break of structure. That is going to confirm to me that this over here is the end of a pullback on the daily, weekly time frame. We definitely do not have that yet, and there's really no reason to say that potentially it couldn't stay within this veins. We have a very, very big news event tomorrow. We got interest rate news, which they do plan on cutting rates for the first time this year in the US. So hopefully what happens is it causes a break of structure, which will help confirm the direction on the very high time frames. For now, I would definitely still recommend maybe trading the veins, trading the highs and lows of this veins over the last month and a half or so has definitely been the best strategy, at least until we get a nice break of the veins. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.